What's up, Team Insanity? Toy Insanity here. And today I've got the Mega Construx Black Series Aliens in Eggs Series 2. They don't actually say Series 2, but it's the second series. Series 1 came out March 1st, 2020. Check my Xenomorphs playlist for the pack codes and for the unboxing of those. 2 aliens per egg. Packs are coded. Let's check them out. By the way, it's basically November 1st right now. So 8 months later, we get the second series. You saw I had it pulled all the way down to there. Hoping I could just quickly snap the bottom. This one's ready to go. And here, let's do it. It did the same thing. All right. 6 to collect, 2 per egg, and the codes are as follows. You look for this sequence of numbers embossed into the bottom, and you look at the last 2 digits before the TC. Well, technically, I suppose you could just look at the last one, but I'm going to call this 97. 9-6, and then they didn't do a 9-4, so you got to look at the third. I said it wrong. They didn't do a 9-5, 9-7, 9-6, and this is 9-4. All right. So if you're looking for certain ones, specific ones, you now know the codes. And if you want to get the set, just find those 3 distinct numbers in 9-4. Green slime. And we get, looks to be a pearly white and a gray. Very slimy. Ooh, ASMR. Let's have a look at the heads. It's a little bit pearly white. Where is the other head? Oh. Woo! I was about to be angry. Okay. Very plain gray. That was pack coded 9-4. Now they didn't do 5, so we go to 9-6. Double check. Yes. Orange slime. Orange slime popping in the sunshine. Didn't we get these colors in the first series? Okay, it's kind of a mottled red. There's little specks of black in the plastic. Not quite translucent. I wouldn't even say semi-translucent. And then a brownish orange. Not translucent, not mottled. Last pack will be 9-7. Or I guess you could just call it 7. These are dropping at Walmart stores. $10 a pack. My Walmart got 4 cases of 6. That's 24 packs. A cool two-tone purple. lavender with trans purple accents, lavender head, and then a dull green Xenomorph. Where's the packs with the pack codes? Hopefully you can find some at Walmart. Give me a second with a quick pause, and I'm going to construct them out. We'll come back. We'll have a closer look, and you know, spew some more words. Thumbs up, BRB. All right, thank you for the thumbs up. Toy Insanity back with the Mega Construx PKA Mega Blocks Series 2 Alien Insanity Xenomorph Slime Eggs. Pack coded 9-4. We got this gray, kind of a gun, metal gray. I got them standing in weird positions today. And we got a white, kind of a pearlescent white. Pack coded 9-6. We got red. Two different types of plastic here. The joints and the feet are trans red, and the rest of it is a mottled red. Kind of a light red with little black splotches in the plastic. And the other one in that pack, kind of a copper. Very slight metallic sheen to this one. Copperish, brownish, orange. Last pack was coded 9-7. We got purple. Again, two types of plastic. The crotch, hands, elbow, shoulders, and feet are trans purple, and the rest is sort of lavender purple. Very cool. And the other one was green. A little bit of speckling, modeling in that plastic. Ultra articulated Mega Construx Xenomorph Aliens. Alien Insanity. I'm sure you noticed each pack came with a face hugger and a chest burster. Okay. Kind of an orange rubber this time rather than the white last time. Did they glow in the dark in Series 1? I don't remember. I don't think so. But my favorite here is the purple. Very awesome. My second favorite, I'll go with the red, then the white. Though my two favorites in the series overall were not only both in Series 1, they were both in the same Series 1 egg. You know, I really liked the neon green, and I really liked the glow-in-the-dark. They put the two best ones in the same pack. I always meant to get more of that pack, but I never did because these things sell out quick. Get to your Walmart right now so you can get them. $10 per egg, and you don't end up paying a fortune for them on eBay. Alright, I'll show you what's on this insert real quick. It just shows the two in the particular egg and how to construct them as if you couldn't figure it out. Full set at the bottom and a bunch of warnings, you know, in 72 languages. Don't swallow the pieces. Don't give them to your kids or your pets, and don't swallow them. Alright, so the total set in the eggs is now 12, and I think there's 3 additional ones. They were in the Mega Construx Black Series single packs. I think a black Xenomorph came out way back in Series 1. A black with green splotches, you know, the alien blood, came out in Series 3. And then they did that sort of Arctic blue one in Series 5. Those are also very hard to find or very expensive on the secondary market. I'm Toy Insanity. Thanks for checking out my video. Check out the Alien Insanity hashtag for all my various alien collections from different toy lines and different franchises. Or check out the Xenomorphs playlist for toys specific to the Aliens movie franchise. Once again, thanks for the thumbs up. Have a great day.